Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to cook some noodles in the microwave. So first, you want to get your water boiled. So let me show you. About basically that big. Water that big. Alright. Then you want to get your Roman noodles, chicken flavor. I got chicken flavor because I love that flavor. And you want to start cracking them. Alright, when you got them cracked, you want to open them. When you got it open, you want to take your flavoring out. And watch how I do this. Put my noodles in there. Then I put this in the trash. And then what you want to do, take your noodles. Alright. Okay, you want to listen closely. Take your noodles and put them in the microwave. Then set it on 3, where it says 3. And then let it get to 0. Very good. And let your noodles get to 0. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you have a dishwasher, open your dishwasher. Over here, you got some forks. Take one of those forks out. My yellow fork I got here. And you wanna start, take your padding. You see this? And pat it with your fork. And then after that, you want to shake it. And then when you're done, you want to... Okay, I hear you. You want to turn your water on. Wash the fork off. Because it might be still dirty. You never know. And just wipe it off with something. And then when your noodles are at like this, you still wait. And to make it good, when they're done, I'll tell you when they're done. You might want to walk around all the way to your Xbox, and then when you come back, it'll be done. Alright, let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, you want to take the noodles in. Listen carefully. Get the noodles out. We're going to start mixing them up a little. We start mixing them up a little to make them like long and so you can eat them. Then when you're done, dump your water out. Alright, then you want to take your noodle pack and pour your pack in there. Make sure you dump all your water out, all of it. All of it, I say. Okay, now you have your noodles. Enjoy them and eat them good.